Okay, you're live. We're building an audience. It seems like if I stay out here, we're okay. All right. All right, here we go. We're live in Tustin, California. We're at the OC Vets monthly car club meeting. But out front is a 1969 Corvette limousine, custom built by Jack at McJacks Corvettes in Santa Ana, California. And what we're going to do is I'm going to have Jack explain the car because I don't know where to begin. This thing is just plain wild. Hi, Jack. Could you step over here and
Sure,
tell us
bet.
what this car is? Here, if you'd like to step in too.
Yeah, this is my personal secretary. I'd like you to meet her. This is Carrie. She makes sure that all my bills are paid and everything happens exactly the way it's supposed to.
Cool.
Anyway, this Corvette was a design that just took place in my head one afternoon when I saw two Corvettes that I was trying to get rid of, one parked slightly in front of the other. And I said to myself, wouldn't that look good if they were both just exactly the way that I see them in my head, and this is the way I saw them.
What year was that?
Well, that was about 5 years ago. I saw this. It took me 5 years to build because I run a full, complete Corvette shop. And in the meantime, I would be horsing around with this crazy invention in the back. And so I try to work 20 minutes every day on it, no matter what rain or shine. And this is what I came out with. It's got 4 removable tops, and of course 4 doors that are all functionable.
All the door handles are shaved.
All the door handles are shaved, and also if you notice the lines in the car are very straight. The windows.
The body line, everything
balances this, of course, with the gills that you have, which really work well when you're driving. You can see your blind spot perfectly.
Okay.
You got your 16-foot side pipes to exaggerate the side pipe look a little bit.
Now it's on air ride. Can we start it up and
Sure,
lift
bet.
it up to ride height?
You bet. Let me turn on the. Should have had this turned on, but this is the safety mechanism, so...
Okay, I wasn't supposed to show that, Jack. Is it the secret safety switch that I just showed the entire world? Sorry about that, Jack.
That's on all the emotions.
So anyways.
Yeah, you hop in here, you turn the key in the airbag.
Okay, what engine's in this, Jack?
This has an engine from a 1985. It's fuel injected. It's
an 85, so 85 it's a TPI, tune port fuel injected.
Oh yeah.
5.7.
This car, I wanted to do everything different, everything that and everybody kind of wants to do. Well, we did it to this car, including electric headlights instead of the vacuum. You got your.
Sorry, we just lost the broadcast. We're in a weak area. When I climbed inside, I kind of killed things there for a second. Don't worry, we're back. Here we go. Is there a dome light or something in there? You can light up the inside?
Oh, yeah, you bet.
Yeah, because it's kind of dark. Okay, there is a jacuzzi and hot tub inside. Jack is turning on the bubble machine as we speak. Fully functioning. Yeah,
You might be able to see inside. Of course, we have 3 televisions inside.
Okay, 3 television sets.
2 for the passengers. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, we can see it. Everybody see the TVs okay? I'm sorry that it's dark. We ate dinner first and it kind of got dark on us. It's my fault.